How to earn Expedia points. In order to earn Expedia points, you just need to follow the steps. Now, earning Expedia points, now generally one key cash by booking eligible flights, hotels, vacation rentals, car rentals, and activities while signed into your account. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you have to earn rewards in hotel, vacation rentals, car rental, flights, and activity. So booking through the Expedia app can double points, earning more as you progress through a light tier as well. Blue, silver, and gold as well as platinum. Now, bundling flights, hotels, and activities often increases reward as well. And you can also earn Expedia reward point in addition to any reward from your credit card provider as well. You can earn points when booking travels for other as well. And Expedia now uses one key loyalty program allowing you to earn in some cashes up to 6% in one key cash per a certain amount spent as well. And this is how you're supposed to earn Expedia points. With that being said, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.